How to render beeswax. So you've got your wax out of your beehive and you've got the honey out of it. Now, how to turn it into the beautiful stuff that you can use to make moisturisers, lip balms, candles, whatever you want. You need to get all the impurities out and melt it down. So put it in a pot. I'm going to probably have to do a couple of pots. Now you want to use an old pot too, because these are, it can be a bit messy. And fill that with water. Now you put the wax into the pot with water, and then you want to heat the water up and just simmer it. You don't want to boil the wax. Melt all the wax. Just keep it simmering until it's all melted. Now once it's all melted, so there's no solid chunks of wax anymore. You can see there's lots of impurities in there, so we're going to strain that out and get rid of them. Now pour the melted wax through the cheesecloth. Trying not to splash it. Okay, now you want to take this off and you let this cool and the wax will rise to the top. Now I have let this cool and I now have a big solid thing of wax, but you can see it's still got a lot of impurities in it. So what I'm going to do is boil it again in water and then re-sieve it and see if I can get rid of all of that stuff. Okay, so now I've let it cool. So this is strained 3 times now. See, that's a much cleaner. So what we're going to do is break it up. Put it into here and then double boil it and melt it down. Okay, now you break the wax up and put it into these jars and into water like a double boiler and then let it melt.